everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing very well today. So if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Natalie Jade. I post videos over here at least 3 times a week. I've got a vlogging channel and I upload daily on TikTok too. So I hope you're doing very well today. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the June Plouise subscription box. Or is it the May one? I feel like it's the May one, but you actually get it and receive it in June. So it's actually the May Plouise budget box. I signed up to this in April and honestly I've not been disappointed. I think they are an incredible investment. Yes, they're a bit pricey. It's £30 a month to sign up, but so far the things that I've received in these boxes are well worth the money. So I'm really excited to show you what I got in this month's box. I hope you'll enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, leave me a lovely little comment, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more content just like this. Without further ado, let's get started. So this is what this month's box looks like. It's one of her classic beauty box original packaging, which I love. And I actually feel like we've got quite a few bits in this month's box. So what I'm going to do is I want to actually try it out with you at the same time as just like unboxing and showing it to you all. So I'm going to show you everything individually first, then we're going to do a little review on each product and test each product out. So firstly, the one that I think most people are going to be the most excited for is the Bad Bee Energy Plouise lip kits. So these I have seen all over TikTok. I've seen them all over TikTok shop. Everybody has been raving about these. Everyone talks about them all the time. So this is one of Plouise's lip kits, I think they're called. So these are basically to nourish your lips, like a lip pamper set kind of thing. So this is the Milking It one, which is the white chocolate, and honestly it smells insane. I love the packaging for this. It's like a little milk carton. Absolutely love it. So you get 2 different products in here. You get the lip conditioner and the lip oil. So many people have said how these are an actual game changer and a life changer when it comes to your lips. So I'm really excited to try them because I haven't tried any Plouise lip products yet. So on the side it says it soothes and nourishes lips, improves lip texture and locks in hydration. Love that. That's what we need. So it says it's made from 20% white chocolate and 80% boy tears, so we have that. So the packaging, absolute 10 out of 10. I've wanted to try one for the longest time and I was really hoping we'd get one in one of these boxes. And then when we open it up, this is what it looks like. So you get your 2 different products. We'll go with this one first. So this is the Protect Your Pout, Speak Words of Kindness Milking It. So this is the lip conditioner. This is what the packaging looks like. Very classy, very Plouise. So you're supposed to smooth an even layer of product over the Cupid's bow from the outer corner of the lips to cover the full lip surface. So this is what it looks like up close. It looks very fancy. I absolutely love the packaging for it. And then we've also got the other one, which is it the lip oil? Yeah, the lip oil, which is in this packaging here. Obsessed with this. And it says Plouise Stay Shining. Again, it's sweet like chocolate, this one is, and then we're going to open it up just because I said it looks like. Oh my god, that looks so fancy. This kind of reminds me of her Easter collection she brought out this year, I think it was. And that's what it looks like. Absolutely gorgeous. And then we've also got one of her The Cheek of It liquid blushes, which I've been desperate for one of these for so long. You can actually get them at the moment. When you buy 3, you get 44% off on TikTok shop. I just can't afford them, so I was so happy that one of these came in my box this month. Then we've actually got the Shut Up and Kiss Me lipstick palette. I believe this is new, but I don't want to say it's just in case it's not, but I do think this is new. So this is a decent sized palette. And I'm just going to open it up so we can have a really quick look at it. So this is what the actual product looks like. I love the design. I think it's really cute. It gives me a very Valentine's Day theme. And that's how many products you get in there. There's so many different shades. And a full-size mirror. I love that. And then the last product is the Plouise No Such Thing as Too Much Bling highlight, which I can 100% agree with. Again, love the packaging for that. I think it looks gorgeous. And the shade Heart of Gold. So that's a little overview of everything we got in the box. Just if everyone just wanted to see what we actually got in the box and not go through it in more detail. But now we're going to dive into it a little bit further. So what I want to do is I'm actually going to put these on my face. I've done my foundation, primer and concealer so far. So I thought, you know what, we'll do some other bits for the video. So I just want to get started. I'm going to start to put some of these bits on my face. So we're going to start off with the Bad Bee Energy Milking It set first. And we're going to go in with that lip oil because I'm so excited to try this. So this is the Protect Your Pout Milking It Lip Oil. It's supposed to protect, hydrate and restore your lips. So I just want to get started, and we're going to start with the Bad Bee Energy Lip Kit first. So the first one we're going to use is the lip conditioner. This one is the Protect Your Pout, and it's supposed to protect, hydrate and restore. I just love the packaging, I think it's so nice. So when we actually open this up, this is what it looks like. Let's just try it. I want to smell it. Oh my god, that smells amazing. That literally just smells like white chocolate. That is identical to white chocolate. Oh my god, it smells so good. Okay, I want to try some. Ooh, it looks like white chocolate melted as well. Like the colour of it, it does look like white chocolate. Okay. Oh my god. That feels amazing. Sometimes you get these kind of like lip conditioners and lip oils and all these fancy lip products, but they're sometimes like a bit sticky and tacky. That's not sticky at all. That's literally so smooth. That's just gliding onto my lips. I love that. That feels so hydrating. I really, really like it. So then I want to try the lip oil on top of that. So this is the Sweet Light Chocolate Stay Shining Super Hydrating Lip Formula. Cannot get over the packaging here. It's gorgeous. And when we open it up, ooh, that looks quite stringy. This is what the one looks like. I think it looks really nice. I think it looks like quite a good wand and shape. Let's just try it. Oh my god. That one smells even stronger. Oh, it smells incredible. Oh, I want to try the other ones now because this just smells absolutely amazing. It's definitely heavier on the lip is this one than the other one. This one's definitely heavier and thicker. I don't know what the applicator feels of, but it feels really strange, but I do actually really like that. But yeah, it's very, very heavy. I would say that one. That one's definitely very heavy compared, but it looks nice. It looks very healthy and very shiny. Feels really nice. Still, it's not sticky. It just feels very glossy and very hydrating, very nourishing, but very, very thick. That feels very, very thick. But I do really, really like it. I'm very, very excited to be able to have tried those because people have just been raving about them. I think if there was anyone that I would have wanted to try, it would have definitely been the white chocolate. So I think that was absolutely perfect, really. Yeah, I absolutely love that. I want to try the blush now. We're going to try the other lip products at the end, but I'm going to let that settle into my lips and like nourish them as it says. And I'll try the blush. So this is one of the liquid blushes by Plouise, which is The Cheek of It, with a revitalised appearance, flirty flush of colour, and it is in the shade Sun Kiss Miss. This one I think is like an absolutely perfect shade for me. Like it looks unreal. Quite a lot of the time I use like a more of a light pink, like a peachy pink, and I think that looks about perfect. So this, I have had a little look already at it, and you have it here with the doe on the end. It's like the really soft padded doe, but you can also take that part off and just have it as like a little dispenser, which is quite nice. But we're going to use it with the doe because why not? I quite like the look of it. I think it'll go on really nice on my skin. So I'm just going to squeeze some of that out. Is that how it works? You just squeeze some. Oh yeah, so I've just kind of got some through there, if you can see that. Okay, so I've got some on there. I'm going to see if I can try like start working it into my face or not. Or if we need to get some more products out first. Oh my god, that's going into my face really nicely. That is a gorgeous, gorgeous shade. Oh my god, I'm so excited. That is so nice. And that is going on really nicely as well. I like the way it's applying. Some cream and liquid blushes, you've got to really drag them onto your skin. And that can just pull off the products underneath, like your foundation, your concealer. But that's applied really nicely and I love the shade. What brush shall I use? I think I'm going to use this one. It's by Beauty Bay. I love this brush. And I'm just going to start to use this to just blend this in. Stop. That has blended in a matter of seconds. It looks absolutely stunning. I love that. Let's just sort these under eyes a little bit. That just looks beautiful though. That is the perfect shade. I love it. It's got like a natural glow to it. That, or it's a concealer and foundation mixed underneath. It's giving it that glow because it was quite a glowy foundation. I'm just going to do my under eyes a little bit more because it has gone quite well with my under eyes. It's blended nicely with them. I'm going to make sure we don't have any creasing in there. Look at that. Look at how well that's blended in there. Sometimes I get a bit of a line where you can see where the concealer ends and my blush begins, but that line's kind of blended beautifully. I'm actually obsessed with that. That's going to end up being my favourite product from this video, I can tell you now, because that is absolutely unreal. I love that. I've literally not got any bronzer or contour in either, and it's helped to make my face look more contoured and structured there. I love it. I absolutely love it. So now it's time to move on to the highlight, which I'm so excited for. So I recently got a highlight palette from Plouise that has, I think it's 8 beautiful shades in there. So I'm quite excited to try this one. This one, I think it's a gold toned one as well, which will be quite nice. I mainly go for like silvery kind of tones, and they're the kind of colours that I have more of, so it's nice to try different ones. So once I take it out of the packaging, this is what it looks like. It's this gorgeous baby pink colour with this design on here. It's gold plated and it just looks stunning. It feels quite heavy, so you know it's quite good quality, and it's got a magnetic kind of clasp on it. Wow. When we open it up, protective screen, it's got a full-size mirror in there, and look at that. That is unreal. So it says, my attitude is savage but my heart is gold. So it is a gold toned one. Wow, that looks amazing. Okay, let's just go in with it. I'm really excited now. I'm just going to use this fluffy brush here. So I've been trying to use like a bigger brush for my highlights. I feel like it just blends it out beautifully and just easier application. So I've just applied, I've literally just tapped into it a little bit because I'm not sure how pigmented it'll be, so I don't want to use too much. So I'm going to use a tiny bit of product. Oh wow, that is stunning. Oh my god, it's gonna be so hard now to decide between the highlight and the blush which one I've got hair right there. I feel like I'm shitting. I'm getting hairs like everywhere. Oh wow. I actually can't get over how gorgeous that is. Look at that. That is unreal. Oh my god, I'm gonna be covered in this. I'm literally just so addicted. Okay, that absolute 10 out of 10. Packaging's gorgeous. Formula is absolutely beautiful. It's so blendable. I love it. I love it. Now it's time to move on to the lip palette. Like I said, you get a lot of different colours in here. It's like choosing the right shade will be hard, but I just think it's quite exciting to be able to choose, and you can probably like mix and match as well, but there's lots of nudes in there. I think I'm going to be focusing around kind of this area here, because I don't like them too dark. I don't like them too nude, but I kind of like it so it's kind of like matching my lip, but a little bit more nude and a little bit deeper, I think. So what I want to do is I want to swatch a few. So I think this one is so nice over here, but I was quite like the one above it. So I'm going to swatch this one because I think it looks quite nice. Oh, that actually looks like quite a nice shade, to be fair. Just try it. Do you know what? I love that. I actually love that. I'm going to try this one down here as well because I love this, the colour of this. Just want to swatch like a couple of different ones and just see what it ended up looking like. Okay, that was a bit more pinky toned than the other one, but it's still really nice. I think it's actually going quite nicely over that lip oil and lip conditioner because I think it's kind of just looking a little bit more glossy, but it looks really nice. Okay, one more that I want to try. I want to try one of these. So we try this one in the middle. It's quite a nude. Oh, that is the one. That is gorgeous. I've used it in the centre to give it more of an ombre. Okay, I officially love every single one that I've tried. They're so nice. So I think it'd look better with a lip liner as well because I haven't actually used a lip liner, but I actually really like that. I think that shade there might be my favourite, which I didn't expect. It's more of a cooler tone, like yellowy kind of toned, a bit more of a peachy one. But I think it's really, really pretty. I think some of these I probably won't use in the palette. This one's like way too dark, but I might use that as a liner, so I think it's really good. And I also want to like try mixing some. and see what it looks like. But I think that's so handy. It's great for makeup artists, and it's also really good for people who just want to like experiment and just try different things. So that is it. That is my full unboxing of the Plouise budget box for June 2023. I never know if it's May or June because I think I paid for this one in May and it came in June. So I think it's technically the May unboxing. But I'll figure out, I'm pretty sure it's the May one, but I'll figure it out and put it in the title anyway. But that is my full unboxing for the May budget box 2023 of Plouise. Hope you enjoyed this. I absolutely love these videos. I used to love watching them. Now that I've subscribed, I love creating them, and I just get so excited every month to see what I'm gonna get. If I had to pick a favourite, it'd have to be the blush. I actually really loved every single thing from this box this month. My ultimate favourite would have to be the blush, and if not, then the highlight. But it's so hard to pick because they were all so nice, and I definitely think it's worth the money as well. I think these blushes are like at least £15 or £18 each. The entire box I paid £30 for, so you're definitely getting your money's worth with all of this, which I think is so good. And yeah, I just think it's amazing. I love these boxes so much. I'm really excited for next month's as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to smash that thumbs up button, leave me a lovely little comment, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it means so much to me. But that is it for me today, and hopefully I'll see you all very soon. Bye.